Ain't this what they've been waiting for? You ready? I used to pray for times like this, to rhyme like this, so I had to grind like that, to shine like this. In a matter of time I spent on some locked up shit in the back of the paddy wagon, cuffs locked on wrist. See my dreams unfold, nightmares come true. It was time to marry the game, and I said, yeah, I do. If you want it, you gotta see it with a clear eye view. Got shorty, she tryin' bless me like I said I chew. Like a nigga sneeze, nigga please for them trick and squeeze, I'm getting cream. Never let them hoes get in between of what we started. Little nigga, but I'm lying hearted. They love me when I was stuck and they hated when I departed. I go and get it regardless. Draw it like I'm an artist, no crawling. Went straight to walking with foreigns in my garages. All foreign bitches menaging, fucking sucking and swallowing anything for $1. They tell me get him, I got him. I did it without an album. I did shit with Mariah. Little nigga, I'm on fire. Icy as a hockey ring, Philly nigga, I'm flyer. When I bought the Rolls Royce, they thought it was lease. Then I bought that new Ferrari, hey, to rest in peace. Hey, to rest in peace to the parking lot. Phantom so big, can't even fit in the parking spot. You ain't talking about my niggas, then what you talking about? Gangsters move in silence, nigga, and I don't talk a lot. I don't say a word. Was on my grind and now I got what I deserve. Fuck nigga. Hold up, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished. When I bought the ass tomorrow, y'all thought it was rented. Flexing on these niggas, I'm like Papa on the spinach. Double M, yeah, that's my team. Rose, the captain, I'm lieutenant. I'm the type can the men cast and grind like I'm broke. That Lambo, my new bitch, she'll ride like my ghost. I'm riding around my city with my hands strapped on my toes. Cause these niggas want me dead, and I gotta make it back home. Cause my mama need that.
Are you a day trader looking to get funded with 6 figures of capital or wanting to become a full-time profitable day trader? Well, look no further. At ETU Essential Traders University, that is exactly our main goal. We are here to teach traders of all skill levels the understanding and skills needed to become profitable in these markets, and we also offer many different services like a full comprehensive day trading course that goes over A to Z on everything you need to become a successful trader, as well as a premium Discord membership that gives you access to our private community of traders and day trading signals. If you're really dedicated to mastering this craft, we also offer one-on-one private mentorship lessons for those looking to speed up their profitability to journey, and as well as answer any specific trading related questions that they are facing. So now visit essentialtradersuniversity.com to enroll in the day trading course and secure your spot in our premium membership community. Let's embark on this exciting journey together and make every trade count. And I'll catch you on the trading floor.